How does your firm help clients with the injury claims process? Attorney Stewart Casper explains that whenever a new client comes to our office, the standard process is for the client to meet with a team of 1 or 2 lawyers and the paralegal who would be assigned to the case. We rely heavily on communication and often use electronic communication with the client just to keep up to speed with how medical care is progressing. By staying in touch, we are able to properly time the collection of the documentation that will ultimately be required to support the claims. Most new clients already have primary care physicians. However, we repeatedly encounter serious and severe injuries that fall out of the realm of a PCP's comfort zone. Beyond that, healthcare in Fairfield County and throughout Connecticut has become profit-driven, and medical practices that have been absorbed by Stamford Hospital, or Stamford Health Systems, Inc., Yale New Haven Hospital, and other large merged entities are now financially incentivized to refer patients within the same corporate structure. Accordingly, unlike in the old days when a Stamford-based physician might be inclined to refer a patient to Greenwich, White Plains, or New York City, there is a tendency to stay within the corporate network of providers, regardless of any insurance network limitations. So it often comes to pass that we make suggestions for providers taking into account not only their qualifications, but also the depth of their understanding of issues unique to a case and the ability and willingness to not only treat our client, but also cooperate in addressing the issues in a legal context. We work with healthcare providers' offices to collect medical records and medical bills, and then, depending on the type of case, we collect necessary earnings information by way of W-2s or other tax documentation to verify earnings so we can document any loss. As needed, we also retain experts necessary for evaluations, whether that is for investigating the case, accident reconstruction, and conspicuity experts. We also work with vocational and economic experts and a variety of other experts in order to assemble the necessary information to document the case. We also develop a strategy geared to resolve each case that is fact and issue dependent. Some cases warrant placing the matter into suit early, while other cases may justify waiting until shortly before the expiration of the statute of limitations before filing a lawsuit. These decisions are made in concert with our clients based upon their best interest. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Stewart Casper in Stamford, Connecticut at 203-325-8600 or visit his website at www.casperdtoledo.com.